Good morning, students. This is Pushkar Chauhan. It's my introductory lecture of economics for class 12. Today we will learn about economics and its important terms. Now a question arises, what is economics? As you have learned, economics is the study of scarce resources that have alternative use. Basically, there are people need resources to fulfill their desires. Resources cannot be unlimited, but desires can be. So people need to make choice about to use of these resources. Category. Now economics is divided into two parts. First one, microeconomics. Second, macroeconomics. Macroeconomics is the study economic problem at the level of economy as whole. In macroeconomics, we will learn about national income, balance of payment, aggregate demand, aggregate supply, etc. Now we will learn about important term related to macroeconomics. First one is final goods. The goods which have crossed the boundary line of production and ready to use by their final user are called final goods. For example, milk used by household, bread, butter used by household are final goods divided into two categories. First one is final consumer good, second final producer goods. What are final consumer goods? Which are consumed by consumer like milk, bread. What are final producer goods? Which are purchased by producer like plant, machinery, equipment, etc. Next one is intermediate goods. The goods which are within the boundary line of production and values yet to be added in these goods are called intermediate goods. And the goods purchased by firm for the use in production of other goods and reselling. Examples: steel used by car plant, milk used by sweet maker are examples of intermediate goods. Now, same good may be intermediate or final goods. It depends on its end use. How can we identify a good is intermediate or final? It depends on its end use. For example, a good used by consumer called final good, a good used by producer called intermediate good. That's it. Other term we'll learn in next video. Bye bye.